Welcome to all of you in this new session. In this new session, I'll cover the company formation and conversion. The topic starts from definition of company, features of company, nature of business organization in India, promotion of company, classification of company. Definition of company, section 2, subsection 20. In terms of Companies Act 2013, company means a company incorporated under the Companies Act 2013 or under the previous company law. The Companies Act 2013 is administered by company which authority? The answer will be central government. Characteristics of company. Artificial person. Company has its own identity. Although company is an artificial person, it can still own property or enter into contact. Comment. The answer will be yes. The company can own property and enter into contact. The statement is true. Common seal. If any company have no common seal, two directors can sign the document. In absence of two directors, like as directors are out of India, then one director and one company secretary can sign the document. Perpetual succession means continuousness. Company to sue or to be sued in its own name. Nationality of which country company has its registered office. Limited liability of members. Limited by shares up to unpaid amount the members would be liable. Limited by guarantee. Liability of members is limited up to extent of amount guaranteed at time of becoming members. Unlimited liability. Separate legal entity. All position will treated separately. In the case of Solomon versus Solomon and Company Limited. Lifting up or piercing corporate veil. A company has characteristics of separate legal entity, means can do any contract or agreement. If company has made a fraud, then penalty will impose on it, that is on company. If member or director have made a fraud, then penalty will be imposed on them but not company. But many time member or director earn illegal profit personally but shown then in the name of company. If any legal authority has any doubt, then investigation is made to ensure who has made fraud and on whom penalty should imposed. It means veil of company is lifted up. Situation in which lifting up of company veil is looked. First one is protection of revenue, like as by tax evasion. Second is enemy characteristics of company, align enemy. Third is prevention of fraud. Fourth, protection of public policy. Fifth, company mere shame. Sixth, to punished for contempt of court. Seven, awareness of welfare legislation. Nature of business organization in India. The two segment of company we looked in India. Public, which is separated by, which is segment by government department, railway, ordnance factory. statutory corporation RBI, majority holding by central government, state government, independent directors, and another segment is joint segment or private sector. 20 to 26% to 50% of share is held by central government or state government. Promoter. Definition of the term promoter. Promoter is a person who is engaged in incorporation of company and makes agreement for all pre-incorporation requirement and obtained a certificate of incorporation on behalf of the company from ROC. As per Companies Act 2013, person whose name appears in the prospectus or identified by the company in annual return has control directly or indirectly over the affairs of the company either as a shareholder or a director, and according to whose directors advice or instruction the board of the director are accustomed to act. A person should not regarded as a promoter if he or she acts in the personal capacity on behalf of company to incorporate the company, like company secretary, lawyer. Pre-incorporation contact personally liable. After incorporation and confirmation contact by company. Type of the company incorporation basis, liability basis, membership basis, control basis. The type comes on the basis of incorporation, statutory company, RBI, ICAI, ICMA, LIC, registered company. Liability, limited by share 2 subsection 22, limited by guarantee 2 subsection 22, 21, unlimited company 2 subsection 92. On the basis of membership, private company 2 subsection 68, minimum member and director should be 2. Public company, minimum member should be 7 and minimum director should be 3. One person company, section 2 subsection 62. On the basis of control, there will be two segments, holding and second is subsidiary company. Thank you for watching this session. Please comment, subscribe and like the channel.